In this video, we're going to dive into how to segment leads automatically based on form responses, making it easier to categorize and manage your leads in real time. If you've ever wondered how to organize your leads without manually going through each one, this is the perfect guide for you. By the end, you'll know how to set up lead segmentation that works automatically, saving you time and effort. First, let's talk about the basics of lead segmentation. Simply put, lead segmentation is the process of dividing your leads into different groups based on specific criteria. The best part? You can set this up automatically using form responses. So, when someone fills out a form, the information they provide will trigger specific actions based on predefined rules, and your leads will be sorted for you. Now, let's get to the tools you'll need. I've tested a lot of the most popular lead management software out there, and the one we'll be using today is really simple and effective. But before I go into the details, if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. Only available to viewers of this channel. So definitely check that out if you want to dive in yourself. Alright, let's set up automatic segmentation. First, head over to your form builder. Whether you're using a landing page or embedded form, you'll want to start by collecting key information from your leads. The common fields might include name, email, job title, industry, or budget. Whatever data is crucial for sorting your leads into different categories. Once your form is set up, you'll need to connect it with the software you're using. Most tools allow you to integrate forms directly with their system, so the data can be captured and processed automatically. Now comes the fun part, setting up the segmentation rules. In our software, you can create rules based on the form responses. For example, if a lead selects a certain industry or mentions a specific budget range, you can have them automatically placed into a specific segment, like high budget leads or e-commerce prospects. These rules are incredibly customizable, and you can add as many conditions as you need to get the segmentation just right. After setting up your rules, the software will handle everything else. Once a lead submits a form, the response will automatically trigger the relevant segmentation rule, and they'll be categorized without you lifting a finger. This is a huge time saver because you don't have to manually sort through each lead. And here's a quick pro tip. Use dynamic lists in your software. These lists update automatically as new leads come in. So, if you've set up segmentation based on lead behavior or form responses, your list will always be fresh and relevant. So, to quickly recap the key points. First, create a form with the right data fields. Then, integrate it with your software. Next, set up segmentation rules based on your form responses. Finally, let the software handle the rest and save you time by automatically segmenting leads as they come in. The key takeaway here is that automating your lead segmentation based on form responses isn't just a time saver. It ensures your leads are organized from the moment they first reach out. You don't have to waste time sorting them manually, and you can follow up with leads more effectively because you know exactly where they stand. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to get hands-on with the software we've discussed today and start segmenting leads automatically without any upfront costs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.